Hello my friends, welcome back to the shop. Today I have a project of magnificent magnitude. A wonderful endeavor. We're making a knife, a hidden Tang knife, which usually I make full Tang knives, which is this one right here. As you can see, the metal that makes up the blade runs all the way down into the handle, which means this part is called the Tang. It's a full Tang, right? You can see it from the outside. A hidden Tang, however, is just a shallow shaft that is embedded in the handle so you won't be able to see it from the outside. This means that we can do a bunch of cool stuff with this, like adding inserts in the handle here because it's essentially just layered. Think of like a big kebab, you know? So we're gonna layer stainless steel walnut, stainless steel maple, and then have it look really cool in the end. This is going to be a really fun project, and I'm glad I'm finally outside again. I've been editing for the last little while, and we're back in the shop. It's going to be a good one. I'm looking forward to it. Stay tuned. We're going to have a blast. I'm ready to get started on the handle now. I have all the pieces prepped for it. It was a bit of a hassle, so I did it off camera. But it's going to fit together just like this. And then this blade is going to sit just like so. So the finished product will look kind of like this. So now what I'm going to do is mark the hole on here, because this one needs to be nice and tight. So it'll fit snugly right here. It's going to slide up in there. Then hopefully seal off the collar properly. And then the holes for the other ones are less important. They don't have to be as exact because it'll be covering, obviously. But it still needs to be a relatively tight fit so the blade is seated in properly and doesn't like wiggle around or anything. It also has to be straight. The fit has to be straight so the blade doesn't sit like this. Obviously that's a bit exaggerated, but like if it's a little bit like this, it'll look really ugly. So it has to be nice and straight, snug fit, and then we should have a nice knife.
blade has been heat treated, which means that we crystallized the structure of the steel itself. The carbon molecules bound nice and tight, give it strength, and it's ready to be cleaned up. We can put an edge on it, maybe not quite yet because we still have to put the handle on it, but the blade, the metal part of the blade, is done. We can clean this up and then proceed on with the handle.
here we are. Project is done, came together beautifully. Not a whole lot of hiccups. I lost a part at one point and took me a little bit to find it, but we got it. I had a blast making this thing. I think it was like 2 or 3 days of work with the sheath included. And yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process. The next video will be the sheath for this knife, so stay tuned for that. But that's it for today. Hope you guys have a great day, and take care. Bye-bye.